Dear students, today we are going to learn photochemical kinetics of dimerization of anthracene. Anthracene molecule in a benzene solution when treated with light of certain frequency. The anthracene molecules undergo dimerization and simultaneously that activated molecules emit the light radiation is called fluorescence. There are two mechanisms suggested. You have to write the mechanisms and then derive the kinetics of dimerization of anthracene. First of all, I have given some important tips. From that tips, you have to derive the expression of kinetics of dimerization of anthracene. See here, we learn more. Dear students, we have to derive kinetics of dimerization of anthracene. Here there are some important tips. Suppose here A stand for anthracene molecule. First of all, you have to write proposed mechanisms of the kinetics. Here there are two proposed mechanisms. Then using mechanism first, you have to derive this kinetics. By using mechanism first, applying steady state approximation to activated anthracene molecules and then label equation 1. From equation 1, you have to determine the value of concentration of activated molecules, label as equation 2. From the mechanisms, then you have to write rate of formation of dimerization of anthracene, label equation 3. Now substitute this value in equation 3. Then we get the number of anthracene dimer molecules formed. That is, these the equations, and from this equation lastly we know quantum yield is the ratio of number of dimer molecules formed divided by the total number of photon intensity absorbed. Here the equation, here the quantum yield of dimer of anthracene is equal to, this is the number of molecules dimer formed divided by the total intensity absorbed. Now we have to derive this equation. Here there are two proposed mechanisms. Mechanism first, mechanism second, where A is anthracene molecule. When anthracene molecules, it is treated with certain intensity of the photons, and these anthracene molecules go to the excited state, and the molecule is known as activated molecule. This is the first reaction, is excitation reaction. Now these excited molecules transfer its energy or react with another normal molecules to form dimer. Di means two, mer means molecules. There are two molecules associated with each other, is called as dimerization. and simultaneously activated molecules from the excitation state come to the ground state with emission of the certain frequency. This phenomenon is known as fluorescence phenomenon. And this is the second mechanisms. Here only there is change. The formation of dimer here is dissociation of the dimer into the reactant molecules take place. Now first of all, by using the mechanism, first we have to derive the kinetics of dimerization of anthracene and using our important tips. Derivation of kinetics of dimerization of anthracene. First of all, you have to write mechanisms first and second. Then applying steady state approximation to concentration of activated anthracene molecules in the excited state. Here you have to write activated molecules with respect to the time. Here in the excitation state, the molecule is in the excitation state, activated molecule is formed. Anthracene molecules absorb the photons, intensity of the photons, and it becomes activated. This is formation take place in a product. You have to write the plus sign. This is the rate constant K1, and here this for anthracene intensity is absorbed. You have to write, and then this here activated molecules is consumed. Here you have to write minus K2. Here also consumed minus K3. Okay. Here the K1 is rate constant, intensity absorbed, minus K2 reactant, concentration of the reactant in the bracket, activated molecules in another bucket is the normal molecules. Then the minus K3 concentration of the reactant, here the activated molecules, this is equal to 0. Now rearrange these equations. You have to take minus here, right? This K1 intensity absorbed is equal to plus K2 activated molecules, another bracket normal molecules, plus K3 concentration of activated molecules. Now we have to determine the concentration of activated molecules. Take common here, activated molecules common. Here K1 intensity absorbed is equal to activated molecules. Here is K2 in another bracket A, plus here is the K3. Now we have to determine the value of this activated molecule. This is equal to, take here this side, rate constant intensity absorbed divided by K2 concentration normal molecules plus K3 level as, this is equation number. This equation, suppose this is equation number, the equation 1, and this is label equation 2. Next, the 3 is, now you have to write rate of formation of dimer anthracene. Rate of formation of dimer anthracene is the rate of formation of dimer take place in second equation. Here in the product, formation of dimer take place here only in a second reactions. Now here the rate of formation of dimer plus, you have to write plus K2, one bracket A star, another bracket normal molecules. The rate of formation of dimer of anthracene is equal to plus K2 activated anthracene molecule, and here is normal molecules. Label this equation is 3. Now you have to substitute the value of activated molecules from equation 2 value. Substitute this value in equation 3. The rate of formation of dimer is equal to K1 K2 intensity absorbed, then there is K2 concentration of normal molecule plus K3, and this is the normal concentration of normal molecule. Label this is equation number 4. Now according to our tips number 4, you have to write quantum yield of formation of dimer. Quantum yield is quantum yield of formation of the dimer. Quantum yield of dimer of anthracene is equal to the ratio of number of dimer molecules of anthracene formed to the number of photons intensity absorbed. Now here substitute the value of the formation of dimer, this value in these equations, and intensity absorbed is the I is the intensity. This intensity is absorbed. You have to write here. Put the value of formation of dimer and intensity absorbed. K1 K2 intensity absorbed, concentration of normal molecules divided by K2 concentration of the anthracene molecule plus K3. Now total divided by this is the intensity absorbed. Now here the intensity of the quantum yield of the dimer molecule is equal to K1 K2 intensity absorbed of normal molecules divided by K2 concentration of A K3. This term is divide here, total divide. Therefore this get cancelled. The quantum yield of the dimer of anthracene is equal to K1 K2 concentration of the reactant anthracene divided by K2 constant A here plus K3. Now this is the right hand equation. You have to divide each term by K2. Divide by K2 for these equations. K1 K2 concentration of A divided by the K2 concentration of the A divided by K2 plus K3 divided by the K2. This is cancelled. This is also cancelled. Then quantum yield of the dimer of anthracene is equal to K1 concentration of A divided by concentration of A plus K3 divided by K2. Equation 5. Now here are apply the two conditions here. At denominator here, if we consider the concentration of anthracene is very low as compared to the K3 upon K2, then this value is neglected from the denominator. And second condition is when the increasing the concentration of anthracene, then this is very less. This term is neglected in next equations. Now apply the conditions. If the concentration of anthracene is very low, that is the concentration of anthracene is very less than the K3 upon K2, therefore it is neglected in denominator from equation 5. Then you have to write this equation. Quantum yield of the dimer of anthracene, this is equal to K1 normal anthracene molecules. This term is neglected here. You have to write only K3 upon K2 here. What indicate here? The quantum yield of formation of dimer, it is independent of intensity here. Now second condition is if the concentration of anthracene is increases, then as compared to this concentration, the K3 upon K2 is very low, then it is neglected in the denominator. Then we may write this equation. If concentration of anthracene molecule is increases, then concentration is increases than the K3 upon K2, then the term this K3, then K3 upon K2 is neglected in denominator. The equation becomes as, equation 5 becomes as quantum yield of dimer of anthracene is equal to K1 concentration of A divided by only the concentration of A. Now the concentration of normal molecule get cancelled here. Then quantum yield of formation of dimer of anthracene is equal to K1. Here the quantum yield is independent of concentration of anthracene. Equation 7. Now using mechanism second, we have to write the equation. The quantum yield of formation of dimer, this is equal to K1 K2 concentration of anthracene minus the reverse reaction K3 formation of the dimer, and here the intensity is absorbed divided by K2 into concentration of anthracene plus K3. This is the equation of the using mechanism second. Here the quantum yield of formation of dimer, it is directly proportional to the intensity absorbed. But in case of the mechanism first, there is quantum yield is independent of intensity absorbed. Now here mechanism second, quantum yield of formation of dimer is depends upon the intensity of light absorbed. But in case of the mechanism first, quantum yield of formation of dimer is independent of the intensity of light absorbed. But experimental evidence in favor of mechanism first. Thus, where quantum yield of the formation of the dimer of anthracene here is depend upon the intensity absorbed, but in case of the mechanism first, the quantum yield is independent of the intensity of light absorbed. In this way, we have derived kinetics of formation of dimerization of anthracene. Thank you.